Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make rice pop using an easy method. First, ensure your cooked rice is completely dry. Day-old rice works perfectly. Next, add about 1 tablespoon of a neutral oil, like vegetable or canola, to a large, heavy-bottomed pot. Heat the oil over medium-high heat until it shimmers, but not smoking. This initial setup is crucial for achieving that perfect crispy texture. Once your oil is hot, carefully add a single layer of the dry rice to the pot. It's important not to overcrowd the pot, as this prevents even popping. Immediately cover the pot with a tight-fitting lid to trap the steam and heat. Gently shake the pot every 15 seconds or so to ensure the rice moves around and cooks evenly. You'll start to hear the rice pop within a minute or two. Keep shaking the pot and listening for the popping sounds. The process usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes, depending on your heat and rice type. Once the popping significantly slows down or stops, remove the pot from the heat immediately. Transfer the popped rice to a bowl to cool, preventing it from burning in the hot pot. Now, you can season your crispy popped rice with a pinch of salt or any spices you enjoy. Your delicious, crispy popped rice is now ready to enjoy. It makes a fantastic light snack on its own, or you can use it as a crunchy garnish for soups and salads. For any leftovers, simply store them in an airtight container at room temperature to maintain their crispness for a few days. And hey, if you're looking to upgrade your home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. It's a game changer for keeping your floors spotless.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.